Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May peace, mercy, and blessings of Creator of the universe, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, be on all of you. Myself, Dr. Ahmad Sheikh, PhD, DSc, Doctor of Science, Head of Chemistry Department, Maharashtra College, Mumbai University. Today I will share with you the king of organs, that is the heart. Some of the scientists, they say that sensation, consciousness, as well as thinking starts in the brain. As we know, brain functions well when the body is calm and relaxed, free from tension, lust, and fatigue. And the activity of the brain is spoiled with lust, fatigue, as well as distraction. If there is some distraction from here to there, there is a tension, brain doesn't work properly. Brain activity is maximum in loneliness and in night. But some of the scientists say today that the consciousness, the sensation, and thinking first starts at the heart, and then it finds its elaboration and execution of planning in the brain. Heart is an excellent pump which pumps out around 152 million liters of blood in entire life. Entire blood makes 1,000 cycles per day in 24 hours, and we do not know. It is noticed that 8,000 liters of blood passes through the body in 24 hours, carrying the nutrients and oxygen to various organs of the body. And if these blood vessels are spread on a flat surface, they will cover 152 kilometers. It is noticed that the heart, which is pumping this blood loaded with nutrients and oxygen, if it stops for 5 minutes, the brain cells will be irreversibly damaged. They will be irreversibly damaged and the person will die. It is noticed that the brain, along with the heart, they are supposed to be controlling the entire body, that is, the different body systems. The heart is the king of organs, as I said. And here it is noticed that this heart is responsible for seeing, thinking, understanding everything. Just like we see with our eyes, even our hearts also see. Therefore, we should think good, we should deliver good, we should act good. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala declares in the glorious Quran, chapter number 23, Surah Muminun, verse number 78. وَهُوَ الَّذِي أَنْشَأَ لَكُمُ السَّمْعَ وَالْأَبْصَارَ وَالْأَفْئِدَةَ قَلِيلًا مَا تَشْكُرُونَ. He is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the one who has given you hearing, sight, and understanding. What a little thanks you give. Same verse is repeated in chapter number 50, Surah Ahqaf, verse number 37. Chapter number 46, Surah Ahqaf, verse number 26. Chapter number 6, Surah Anam, verse number 110. Chapter number 53, Surah Najm, verse number 11. Ma kadabal fuadu ma ra'a. This verse is talking about the blessed heart of the beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam. In the night of ascension, the night of Miraj, when he traveled all the 7 heavens and crossed beyond that, all these are mentioned in nutshell that beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, whatever he saw, the heart did not lie. The hadith of Muslim and Bukhari, beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, there is a piece of flesh in the body. If it is correct, entire body becomes correct. If it is corrupted, entire body gets corrupted. The famous companion, Hazrat Abu Huraira, peace be upon him, said, king is the organ of, king is such an organ, it is the king of all the organs. Hazrat Abu Huraira, radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, is saying that heart is the king of all the organs. All the organs are at its service, they are as a servant. If the king is good, all the organs will be good. If king shows wickedness, the organs will also show wickedness. It means that we should think positively. We should act positively. Allah declares in the glorious Quran, chapter number 13, Surah Ra'd, verse number 28. Allah bi dhikrillahi tatma'innul qulub. Remember, in the remembrance of Allah, only heart finds solace. Remember, Allah is giving warning. If we want peace, happiness, and solace to hearts, Allah is declaring, certainly in the remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, hearts find solace, hearts find peace, hearts find happiness. Allah tabaraka wa ta'ala is again warning in the glorious Quran in chapter number 17, Surah Bani Israel, verse number 36. Inna sama wal basar wal fuad kullu ulaika kana anhum mas'ula. Indeed, the hearing, the sight, the understanding, means the ears, the eyes, and the heart, they will be questioned on the day of judgment. So we should use our ear properly, we should use our eyes properly at a proper place, and we should use our heart properly. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.